In every family, the kitchen is the most important part. But without kitchen gadgets, a kitchen is just an abandoned room. But how do you know what kind of kitchen gadgets are best for you? In order to help you find the best kitchen gadgets, we looked at the number of features that sets the best performing kitchen gadgets apart. Let's look at our list of latest kitchen gadgets. First of all, we have listed colander collapsible over the sink strainer. Combine 3 collapsible colander and 8 collapsible measuring cups and spoons. Colander set 2 QT round colander with handle, 3 QT round strainer, 6 QT over the sink strainer with thickened handle, 4 measuring cups and 4 measuring spoons. Great portable measuring set can quickly identify and accurately provide the true amount, allowing you to cook like pros. Suitable for the elder and kids, easy for baking or cooking with your kids, and helpful for calculating calories and diet. The expandable colander can collapse from 5 inches to 1.4 inches high in just one push, making it very convenient to store in kitchen without taking up too much space. Ideal for small space like rooms, picnic, campaigning, college, travel and family outside cooking. And easy to find, store and organize. With ergonomic design, holes on the bottom can effortlessly rising and draining when washing fruits, draining vegetables and pasta, and preventing food from falling down the drain. The second product is Rapid Automatic Electric Corkscrew Wine Bottle Opener. The first of its kind, this innovative wine tools remove the cork from the bottle on contact, then automatically ejects it from the corkscrew. Works on all cork types including synthetic and plastic corks. Simply place on top of your wine bottle, then let the electric corkscrew do the rest. No bottles necessary. Opens up to 30 wine bottle on a single charge. Micro USB wall charging unit included. Feature a built-in foil cutter for added convenience. Third product of the list is Trigger Oil Sprayer, ideal for olive oil, sesame oil, vegetable oil and more. Oil Master is designed with an innovative triggered pull handle for either a final mist or stream of oil to generate a fine and even mist. Pull the trigger handle quickly to generate an even stream. Pull handle slowly. This oil mister sprayer without the use of aerosols. There is no need to pump to build spray pressure before using. Control the amount of oil used in while design salads, cooking, grilling or stewing. From the list of the fourth product is Hamilton Bees Sandwich Maker with 4 easy steps. This breakfast sandwich maker cooks your custom sandwich in just 5 minutes, perfect for brunch or a quick, healthy meal on the go. Dual breakfast sandwich maker is great for kids, extra guests, or if you are extra hungry. Whether you are looking for the low carb or protein packed, our complimentary breakfast maker recipe book puts plenty of fun and delicious meals right at your fingertips. Eliminate the bread, and these are great for keto and paleo diets too. Perfect kit for Christmas, birthday, Father's Day, Mother's Day, graduation, back to school and more. All removable parts on the breakfast maker are dishwasher safe. At the last and not the least is water filter system. This countertop water filter system is certified by the Water Quality Association to reduce 70% contaminants. Water filter system with superior water filtration and fresh states at the touch of a bottom. Pressurized water is pumped through the entire CleanGuard activated carbon block filter to ensure superior filtration and fresh taste glass after glass. No pumping or installation required. reduce chlorine, lead, mercury, pharmaceuticals and 50 plus violating organic compounds. Include on filter. It's easy, just insert an aquafusion flavor capsules. Each low calories capsule is filled with natural flavors to create a delicious sugar-free 12-ounce beverage with the countertop hot dispenser. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, then like this video, and if you want to watch more video like this, then subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much.